Hi buddies, I'm so glad to be back with one new video for this week, and I welcome you all to my channel, Jose the Explorer. So how are you all doing? And because they ask this question every time, because though I know you're all doing great, we often face bitter and unpleasant experience in our day-to-day life, daily life, right? Which are part of life. Nothing is too bad or too good. Everything is part of life. And anyway, this world is made of contrasts. Everything is different and unique. Each and every person is different. People think different, act different, and achieve different objectives, different goals, which is so important for the survival of this world, right? And plus, as you know, this life is not always hunky-dory. How you look at things is what makes all the difference. So focus on your goals, your objectives, and do things that makes you happy. Do things that make you happy. That's all. Go get them. Okay. Because as you know, we have been exploring coastal towns and villages, coastal towns and beaches in and around Mumbai city and suburban areas for some time. Because I know that most of you are city dwellers, want to see and experience different things, want to explore pictures and the scenic locations, and that's one reason. I also love beaches and coastal towns. That is one reason. And another reason is, of course, I want to know people who visit Mumbai, that Mumbai is not limited to one or two popular beaches. There are hundreds of very beautiful scenic beaches and coastal towns in other parts of Mumbai. That's one another reason. So today also we are going to explore a couple of more beaches in Vasai area. Though we have been to Vasai before, we have never visited these beaches. So we're going to explore this beautiful beach. One of the beautiful beaches I'll tell you is, of course, the Buigaon beach that I was supposed to visit last week, but I couldn't make it. So today, first of all, we are going to explore this beautiful beach, Buigaon, and then I'll let you know what the next one. I'll tell you next one. Okay. And plus, right now I'm at Vasai East, heading to the west area. From there, take a rickshaw or any other public transport like a bus to the beach. Because this beach is around approximately 10 kilometers from the station. Okay. And friends, this is Vasai East area. This is basically a residential area full of residential buildings, and yeah, this is basically residential area. Vasai East. All these are residential buildings, and now heading to the west side, Vasai West. Okay. The Vasai East is not so glamorous. It's all these are very old building, and some business establishment like shops and small shops and some other things like this, and you know, nothing so glamorous. But west is much more developed. So this is the Vasai railway station. I'm on the bridge right now, heading to the west area. Since this afternoon, we hardly find so many people right now. Time is 12 p.m. Of course, there is crowd at this side of the station, but not too crowded like peak hours. Peak hours are between 8 to 12 p.m. I think, and after that you get to see lesser crowd, comparatively lesser crowd at every station area, Mumbai city and suburbs. Okay. Now I'm at the west side of the Vasai railway station. Vasai West is full of crowded, so congested and crowded, and full of shops and various businesses all around. This is the west side of the railway station, Vasai railway station. See all this crowd and so congested, and so many shops, various shops and businesses here. Vasai West, Station West market is so congested always. You see the rickshaws, there are hundreds of rickshaws here waiting for the public. Also, I learned that here in Vasai Virar area, rickshaws run without meter, so they charge whatever they like. So I rather go to the bus station and take a bus from there. Okay, that's better. And this is the bus stop to Buigaon, and just opposite this showroom, Cotton King. and I'm waiting for bus. I don't know how long it will take. My bus is arriving late, so fortunately I got a share rickshaw from here. And it started drizzling now, and I'm really enjoying the view outside. The view on the way to the beach is very beautiful. It was this vast expanse of land on both sides of this road. Looks so amazing, so beautiful. It's not an agricultural land. I don't know what is this exactly, but anyway, it looks so amazing and so picturesque. Now I started to see the beautiful villas and houses along the road. And this is the Buigaon village. And first I finally made to Buigaon and heading to the Buigaon beach. Luckily I got a share rickshaw from the station, Vasai station. That's not always possible. Share rickshaw is not always available from Vasai station to Buigaon, but anyhow I got share rickshaw. That's only 40 rupees. Yeah, I saved so much money. And now I'm at Buigaon, heading to the Buigaon beach. And plus this village Buigaon is so beautiful. It's a very beautiful village in Vasai, around 10 kilometers away from the Vasai railway station. I'm in this village, Buigaon village right now. As I can see a small church here. And this is the road leading to the Buigaon beach. Isn't it beautiful as any other coastal areas? And, friends, I want to tell you a little bit about Vasai. Vasai is a part of Palghar district of Maharashtra, not in Mumbai. And it was in Thane district before 2014. But in 2014, it became part of Palghar district of Maharashtra. Now it's now it is in Palghar district, and almost 10 years now. Okay, now I want to show you the area around this Buigaon beach. Also, before entering the beach, I want to show you the area. It's a very beautiful, very enchanting, like any other. So many beach areas I've shown you in the last couple of weeks. It's one of the very beautiful beach areas in Palghar district of Maharashtra. All these are independent villas and beach villas. See, it's very beautiful. Roads are not that well maintained, still much better than the beach we visited last week, Nalasopara area. That was so worse, and this is much better. And the area is also very beautiful with all these villas and all these villas. And one thing I find that here the Christian Catholics are the majority living here. Catholic Christians, I think, are the majority live here in this area. I find so many churches and Catholic homes. Also, so all these are Catholic staying. All these villas belongs to. All these villas belong to Christian. So that I can clearly see by the sign of cross at every entry. You can see beautiful villas here all around. Now heading to the beach. You can see the banana tree. It's not a tree, as I told you, it's a plant. There's so many hundreds of banana cultivation here. And also coconut trees. Wow, so beautiful. How amazing is a banana tree. and also several independent villas in between the greenery. So isn't it so amazing? I love this place so much, my dear friends. This one another place I fall in love. I fell in love. It's so beautiful. Wow, all these are villas you can see, and several types of trees and plantations everywhere. This is the beach road. Beach is very nearby, and so walking towards that area. And it was today's sunny day with of course intermittent rains, but of course so muggy. I love rains. It was drizzling just a while ago, half an hour back, but now no rain. And the entire month will be like this, on and off. Rain will come and go. Yeah, so I'm enjoying the surrounding, so beautiful. See the area next to the beach. I just want to show you. I don't want to miss this scenery. See how beautiful it is. And this road is also very much better. And see the greenery and various trees here, especially the palm tree, coconut trees, and various other plantations all around. Isn't it? The village is so beautiful. Buigaon village, and this is a village beach road. Buigaon beach road, Bhuigaon, Buigaon. Okay, and yeah, now heading to the beach. It's very close. Friends, all these are banana plantation. You can see here, banana plantation, and this side also on both sides, and you can see this banana plant, and also coconut trees, and so much greeneries. And this one is papaya. See the papaya tree. You can see the papaya. That's a papaya. And now heading further, you can see one board here, Heaven Food Corner. It's a kind of restaurant somewhere here. There are several restaurants, and I think hopefully resort also. It's a, what is this? It's a restaurant here. Indian, Tandoor, Chinese. Yeah, oh, started raining. But only 5 minutes, then it stopped. Now to, yeah, now stopped. Rain is like that. Okay, again, raining now. And it is just as well I brought my umbrella. I carry my umbrella everywhere these days, because I don't know what time rain comes. So, now stopped, no rain now. See, all these people are from the beach. It's a very amazing place. It's one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen near Mumbai. See how beautiful it is. I love it. I fell in love with this place, my dear friends. See how beautiful. I found some kind of gate over here. I don't know. Is this a Henry gate or something? I'm not sure. I didn't find anybody. This is a crematorium. This is not the entry to the beach. This is a crematorium next to the beach. Wow. The soul may rest in peace, happily ever after, next to the beach. Isn't it? See the beauty of this place, dear friends. How enchanting this area is. My goodness. Amazing. So this is one eucalyptus tree. Eucalyptus. and this is a eucalyptus tree, and now beach is out there. Now finally made to the beach. You can see the beach from here. Can you see? Yes. And the Henday area is so amazing. See, the weather is true extremely hot now. Just a while ago it was raining. Now stopped. Now it's sunny and hot and so muggy. All these people came to see the beach. You can see some kind of plantation here. Let's go and ask one guy out there. Lady's finger, na? Okay, this lady's finger and yeah, lady's finger. Okay, ये क्या है? Charlie, okay. It's a kind of legume. And this lady's finger means okra. ये सब वही है क्या? वो आगे का?
वो उसको सातपुती बोलते हैं.
अच्छा.
अपना ये रहता है ना.
लौकी.
तुरिया.
अच्छा. It's amazing to see this agriculture.
देखो तुरिया का छोटा भाई. ये तुरिया का छोटा भाई. ये तुरिया लंबा रहता है. ये छोटा भाई है.
अच्छा.
इतना सा.
मतलब भाजी है ना? वेजिटेबल.
भाजी है. बहुत महंगा है.
अच्छा.
आज की तारीख में 120 रुपए जगह पे किलो है. खाने वाला क्या खाएगा?
ओके. ये सब आप क्या है? आप ही का?
हाँ, हम लोगों का है. बहुत
खूबसूरत है. वो भी बीच का सामने. वो तो घर तो बहुत गर्मी है अभी.
गर्मी है आज धूप बहुत निकला.
हाँ. थैंक यू भाई. देखते बीच देखने को आया. आपका फोटो लूँ क्या?
ले लो.
नहीं. इनको गुस्सा आएगा. So finally made to the Buigao beach area, and I can see this now familiar suru trees, and this beach also having these trees here, full of suru trees here. Now it's quite familiar with suru trees, and this is the Buigao beach, and I'm gonna handle that side. It's a high tide time difference, so walking around the beach is prohibited probably. So it's a high tide time, just a rainy season. You can see all this waste. Here also you can see the waste. You know what happens during high tide? All the waste in the sea ended up on the shores. That's happened, I think, almost every place. Every coastal area, I think. These are the suru trees here that you can find now in the Henday stretch of Vasai Virar area, especially the coastal area. So it's very beautiful, and the sea is very rough. This was the monsoon. This is the situation everywhere these days. This is the condition at every coastal area of Mumbai. This was the monsoon. Sea is very rough. It was no time to exit. Now leaving this place. Now we are heading to another beautiful beach called Suruchi. Suruchi is also considered one of the best. One of the best beautiful beaches here. I heard so, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm going for first time, and now we are heading to Suruchi beach. Okay. And friends, one thing I want to tell you that more than the beach, I love this area on the beach, and this is the truth. I love it. It's a very beautiful locality. More than the beach, I love this place. And yeah, now we're heading to Suruchi beach. Let's see and let's go and explore and see what is happening there. Okay. As you can see, one truck full of coconut. Yeah. So how many coconut plantations around here. That's why. ये होलसेल क्यों देने का है भाई?
हाँ,
अच्छा, आपका खुद का दुकान है या मार्केट में देना?
खुद का दुकान नहीं है, मार्केट में आएगा।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, सब यहाँ का है ये सारे कोकोनट? अच्छा, okay. See, and that's another amazing sight. Truck full of coconut. You can see this guy picking coconut. The Christian community in Buigaon, like in many parts of Vasai, has a deep-rooted history that traces back to the Portuguese colonial period. The Portuguese arrived in the Vasai region in the early 16th century and established a strong presence, particularly after they constructed the Vasai fort. Along with their military and administrative control, the Portuguese also brought Catholicism to the region, leading to the conversion of many local inhabitants. The Portuguese influence in Vasai led to the establishment of several churches, some of which still stand today. Right now I'm at this junction, intersection of Buigaon, I think Buigaon Naka or junction, I don't know. So from here I'm going to take a bus to Suruchi beach. So I'm waiting for a bus now. This is the intersection here. From here I'll get a bus to Suruchi beach, and this road leads to Buigaon beach that we visited just a while ago. And now we are heading to Suruchi beach. I'm waiting for the bus. My bus will come here. I got this bus. And friends, now I finally got down at this place called Vasai Pahad Naka. From here I think I'll walk around 2 kilometers. Rickshaws are not available right now. So anyway, let's see. It's a kind of small town, Vasai Pahad Naka. From here, I'll let you walk this way, the straight road to Vasai Suruchi beach. It's also kind of a residential area basically, and also commercials here and there. I mean shops, commercial shops. And okay, this is the Vasai Pahad Naka. Have some juice after a long time. It has been raining, rainy season all these years. Now it's kind of so hot. Now I'm gonna have this sugarcane juice today after a long gap. Plus, it's only 15 rupees, 15 rupees from Buigaon to Pahad Naka, Vasai Pahad Naka. And from here, I have to walk only 10 minutes to Vasai Suruchi beach. So I'm heading to the beach now. Anyway, I've been saving so much money with this way using public transportation. Otherwise, it would have taken so much money for me. And now after I started this channel, I've been using public transportation so many times. This is the way to the Vasai Suruchi beach. Here you get to see full of mangroves, mangrove forest all around. Nothing much. All these are mangrove area, mangrove forests. These are mangroves. You can see hundreds of acres of mangroves all around. Nothing much, nothing else. I mean, no any kind of palm trees or any other kind of plantations or vegetations here, other than this mangroves. And from here you get to experience a different vibe, not like the one we visited just a while ago. Buigaon beach. That's different area, and this is different area. This center area is full of this mangrove cultivation. Sorry, mangrove forest, nothing else. And maybe you get to see some suru trees over there, because I heard that this place is called, this beach is called Suruji because of suru trees over there on the shore. And so let's go and see what is there to explore, and how beautiful is this Suruji, Vasai Suruji beaches. I have no idea. I'm coming for first time, and let's go and see. And I can see this is the gate is handed to the Suruji beach. Let's go. This it's of course beautiful, full of greenery here too, but the vibe is, as I told you, is different. At first I finally made to the beach. This is Suruji beach. I don't know where is the entry to the beach. This is how to go to the beach. I think that way. My goodness, it's a dangerous way. It's very risky to go this way to the beach. I finally met to Vasai Suruji beach. Suruchi, Suruji beach, Vasai Suruji. And it's also beautiful. It's a black sand beach, not white. You can see the sand is black. It's not dirt. And the color of sand is black. And the certain beaches, the sand white, the color of sand is black. At certain beaches you get to see white sand. Jude beach is white sand beach, and there are several others which are black sand beaches. And there is a Suruji beach. It's beautiful, of course, but I don't think it's not. I think it's rather popular. I heard so, but I can see the full of waste in this area on the shore. And yeah, almost all beaches in Mumbai suburban areas, the situation is the same. It's full of garbage and plastic waste all around. Maybe because, as I told you, during high tide, all the kachra, all this waste, garbage landed up on the shores. That is what we are seeing right now. This I can see full of garbage. I'm so sad to see this situation. Why the cleaning up drive is not happening? I don't know why people are so negligent. It's a beautiful beach. So vast, very wide and vast area. I can't see any beach activities here other than a few horses here and there. Maybe horse ride is possible. Other than that, nothing else here. I can see some kind of island-like projection over there. I don't know what is that. Okay friends, that's all for today. I'm not ending. Now, leaving this beach, see the garbage. Oh my goodness, full of garbage here, full of waste here. It was during high tide, all the seawater gathered over here. Now it's looking like a pool. Now I have to go over this bridge made of wooden planks and rocks. It is not so deep, but when you lose your balance, you will fall directly in the water. And friends, between these two beaches, which one you like, please comment me. I really appreciate your comments, because only through your comments I get to know your likes and your suggestions, and I appreciate your comments. So please do comment me, okay? If you ask me, I would say Guigaon beach is more scenic and picturesque, and this beach is, the shoreline of this beach is very vast and wide, but not that scenic. It's not that scenic location. As much scenic as Guigaon beach that you've visited just a while ago, and that's my opinion, and I want to know what you say. Now leaving this place and heading to the bus stop. From there, you got to take a bus to Vasai railway station. Okay, as I told you, I've been saving so much money ever since I started this channel. I've been using public transportation instead of private vehicles or cabs or private cab or rickshaw. If it is rickshaw, I use only share cab or share rickshaw, nothing, not private, because otherwise it would have taken lots of money just for traveling. So I want to visit so many other places, other states and other countries, of course. But without your help, and it is very difficult. So please watch my videos continuously and support me. Share and like my videos. That's so important. Comment me. I appreciate your comment. As I always tell you, I need your comments to get to know your likes and dislikes. So do so. Now I am ending this video, and had a long day today. I left home too early. Now time is 5:30. And in this video, I'll see you soon with some other video next week, next Friday, 5:45 p.m. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for support. Thank you.
तेरे को